there has to be an expectation. Now here's when they get kind of weird here. Because the word manifestation and the word revelation mean the same thing. But they occur two different ways. See, some people are always claiming that they're waiting on a manifestation. But in order to get the manifestation, you got to have the revelation. But watch me now. Manifestation comes through expectation, but revelation comes through relationship. You know what I'm saying? And that's why some people can't